Hello guys, in this video we will be learning how we can create a web page and portfolio, something like this. So if you are working somewhere, it is really a good idea to showcase your work, your journey in a portfolio, something like this. This is very old website of mine. I built this during my college days. You can see the repository like shikharajak.github.io, and this is quite old, almost 8 years. So yeah, GitHub provides this kind of portfolio making repository with suffix github.io, which is pretty basically it is very uh, decent way of providing a URL. Also, this is free, so you don't have to pay anything. To build up this kind of portfolio, there are multiple ways of doing it. One is through Jekyll framework. So the fundamental is, what is the fundamental? If you have username.github.io, you can host the HTML file that you have in this repository by going into the settings, and then here you will find an option to publish it. So let's see where it is. Pages, and then you can choose a branch and the directory. So here I am used the root directory. So whatever is available in the root directory with index.html, that will be rendered in the UI. This will look like this. Now there are multiple frameworks that can build HTML file. So yeah, here you can see HTML file, right? And the all other folders are subfolders.